Kenny here with Gardening Simplified. We're out here in the garden. Well, I'm not in the garden right now, but we just harvested some broccoli. Now, these are broccoli shoots, and these eat just as good as broccoli heads. In fact, I like them, they're really tender. But we're going to go out there and talk a little bit about broccoli. Okay, broccoli goes through a lot of stages. Now, this is my youngest broccoli, and these are beginning to put on their heads. They've got probably a couple weeks left and they'll be ready to harvest. Zoom out just a little bit. And like I say, this is my latest broccoli. But a lot of people grow broccoli and they don't really know about broccoli. Uh, Broccoli will live a long time after you cut that head off. Now, if you don't keep your broccoli shoots uh, popped off and eat them regular, they'll keep coming on. These are all, this has done went to the point to where it's starting to flower and go to seed. These have really gone to seed. But this broccoli here it's probably about 4 or 5, maybe even 6 months old. This is my first broccoli I planted for the season. And these are the same age as those, but these were intentionally let to go to seed. These were left for side shoots, and you can see we harvested a bunch of them, and we've taken out a few plants because after a period of time, some of them tend to get to that age to where they just want to go right to flower. They'll make a little broccoli side shoot. You can see like this is little, but this is already opening up, and once they get to the point to where they keep doing that, I'll go ahead and cut them out because I don't want any more to go to seed, but I do want to get the side shoots off them. But a lot of people, once they cut the head, the main head off it, they figure it's done, pull it up, plant something else. But if you like broccoli, this will give you a whole lot more because it doesn't take maybe a couple weeks after you cut that head off, you'll start seeing these side shoots start popping up. And then once they get in production, you'll be able to harvest that for months. You'll still be getting broccoli. It's tender. I like it in my salad. Now these here are probably a couple of months after those ones I just showed you. And these are steadily putting on side shoots. And so once these get in real good production, which they're doing pretty good, and they could supply our needs just fine and still have a few to give away. But once they get in good production, I'll go ahead and take these others out. I'll leave my ones that's going to seed. They've still got a while. They'll bloom. Once they bloom, get pollinated, they'll put out a little, like a pea pod. And I was trying to see, like right here is one starting. And what happens is this will fill out. It'll get longer. It'll fill out. And these will be full of seeds. And then once it starts to kind of dry back, then I'll just cut that whole limb off and I bring it in and I just hang it upside down and let it dry. And then once it dries, I can take those pods and I'll get the ones that are filled out big. I don't like little bitty seeds. I'll get the ones that's bigger and I'll go ahead and cut them off, let them dry longer, and then I'll get the seeds out of them. But don't waste your planting area by cutting out a plant that's going to produce for you a good while longer. If broccoli's something you like, then leave your plant in and you'll really benefit from it. And one thing I'll benefit from is if you take and you hit that like button. I always appreciate those of you that like my videos. That brings them a little higher in the rating. And I like those of you that take time to comment and let me know how your garden's doing. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this short video on broccoli. And as always, enjoy that gardening experience.